If you don't like waiting but still want that perfect home, then let's tour today. Hello, future homeowner. Spotted that perfect house online and can't wait to see it? I'm your agent, and I'm here to make it happen. Now, the house you've got your eye on, it's in a top-notch neighborhood, the kind where even the squirrels hold HOA meetings. But before we jump into full house hunting mode, there are a few things we need to cover. First up, a consumer notice. Just a fancy doc saying, "Hey, you've got rights." Next, proof of funds or pre-approval. If you're buying with cash, a bank statement works. No statement? I'll set you up with a lender quicker than you can say mortgage. And lastly, the buyer's tenancy agreement. Think of it as our BFF pact for real estate. I'll keep your info private and promise not to swing from any ceiling fans. Got everything ready? Awesome. With these simple steps, we'll be exploring that dream home in no time. Let's do this.